Wow. Ay, nako. Nakaharang sila sa daan. Nadurog na. Inside your pocket.
Good morning, everyone. So it's our proper first day dito sa Osaka. And yung plan namin kasi today, dito may ulan daw, sa Kyoto wala. So we will go to Nara Park, yung mag-fit kayo ng deer. Tapos pupunta tayo sa Fushimi Inari.
Fushimi Inari, yung maraming mga torii gates.
And yung bamboo forest.
Arashiyama Bamboo Forest. So, nakarating na rin kami sa wakas sa Nara Park. Medyo nagkaroon ng konting delay kasi nagkamali kami ng train na
Yung maraming stop, hindi yung rapid
dapat rapid. So, be careful sa time kung ano nakalagay sa Google Maps. Sundan nyo kasi ang nangyari, kung ano yung unang train na dumating sa platform, sila kinagad namin. At siguro na-delay kami ng mga 30 minutes kasi ang daming stops.
Pero it's okay.
It's okay, we got here. Same direction, pero kasi local train yung nasakay namin, hindi yung rapid. Ito na yung mga deer. There's plenty more inside. So pasok muna kami sa park and then papakainin namin yung mga deer.
Bibili muna kami ng biscuit nila. Biscuit mo yan.
So eto na sila ngayon, pakalat-kalat lang sila sa gitna ng karsada. So they just walk among you. They've got the antlers. So be careful kasi yung iba aggressive. Yung iba nanunuwag. Hello. They just bow. Bow. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ah, look. So be careful kasi sometimes they bite. Ah? Wow. Go, go, go. Stop blocking the way, you. Stop blocking the way. Move, move. Move. Ay, nako. Nakaharang sila sa daan. Hey, stop blocking the way. So, bumili kami ng biscuit. Ani? Patingin ng biscuits. Isang pack is 200 yen. Hey, stop biting my shirt. Kasi, put your food inside your pocket. Hey, stop biting. Kasi naamoy nila yung food mo. They can smell your crackers. Put it in your bag. Hey. Hello, you little fawn. Doe a deer. A female deer. Kaya nga, ako nga rin eh. Nakangagat sila ng damit. So, ingat, kagaya nito, they'll come from behind. They'll sneak from behind you. And then they will bite your shirt. So be careful. So kung bumili kayo ng crackers, if you bought the crackers there,
put your crackers away.
Hide it because they can smell it. Look at this. Look. Uh-oh. And they smell. They smell. Okay, so hindi, saglit lang ha. Bow. Isa pa ni. Bow. Bigyan mo ng treat kasi nagbabaw siya eh. Kuha ka lang kay Angelo. Nadurog na. Huwag mo tapon. Oh!
Yeah, we'll just wipe.
So, ito yung Nara Park. So, be careful lang dito. Mababait naman sila.
So funny.
Mababait naman sila. Kaso nga, minsan, pag nakita nila yung crackers na hawak-hawak mo,
Talagang
dudumugin ka nila. Oh, so,
ang bilis na.
kailangan nyo ng tenga.
Kami kasi wala kami crackers.
Pag wala kang hawak, hindi ka nila pinapansin. Pero once nilabas mo yung crackers mo, ayan na, lalapitan ka na nila. Okay guys, so galing na kami ng Nara Park. Pabalik na kami ng train station pero maghanap muna kami ng makakainan. And then from here, shopping street next to Lawson. May mahaba rito na passageway. And then marami na mga kainan dito. Iba't ibang klase. Kung anong gusto nyo, meron mga ramen, sushi, may mga bento, fish sushi. So marami dito. Check na lang yung mga price. May mga menu naman sila sa labas ng restaurant. Then if you fancy sa McDonald's, may McDonald's din doon. Tonkatsu Ganpo. Check lang yung menu.
Dito na kami kakain.
Okay, so dito na.
Yes.
Okay, so nakakita na sila ng mga
It's like
kainan
10 pounds, 12 pounds
per meal.
per meal.
Okay, so mukhang maganda naman. Dito mainit today, grabe. So pakita ko na sa inyo banda rito. And then babalik na ako doon para kumain. Meron mas ng mga capsule or capsule. Okay, so hindi ko na lalakarin hanggang dulo. Medyo gutom na rin kami. It is now 4 to 12 ng tanghali. At saka medyo mainit. We need to go somewhere na air condition. Yeah, so hope you enjoy Nara. Nakakatuwa. So I would highly recommend na kung pupunta kayo ng Tokyo o Osaka, don't miss it. Nakakatuwa yung mga deer. They are very friendly. Aggressive lang sila kapag naamoy nila yung pagkain mo, but they will only nudge you. Minsan, kakagatin yung t-shirt mo sa likod just to get your attention. Then after that, they'll just leave you alone. You can pet them, you can stroke them, you can touch your antler, but don't too rough. Don't be too rough. So yun lang, and hopefully you enjoy the video. Say bye-bye na.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.